Now moving into 4-point series, align your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. You can create a little bit of a wider width as needed if you've had any hip replacement surgery or you have rotator cuff tendonitis. Use yoga blocks for your hands to allow your fingertips to cascade off the front, the sides, or the insides. Begin to rock back and forth, allowing your hips, knees, and shoulders, wrists, and fingertips to get used to this movement. Notice how the body is feeling. Begin to add circles. Open the knees. Sweep your hips gently over to the right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. One more. These hip circles, shoulder circles also allow lateral flexion of the spine. Reverse the motion. Left, back, right, center. Left, back, right, and center. Sit back onto your heels, resting in child's pose. You can keep your knees wide width apart. You can use a yoga block to rest your forehead. If this is not comfortable for your hips or knees, you can also do something called puppy dog pose, where you rest down on your forearms, but your hips are higher than your head. Coming back up onto all fours. You can cascade the fingertips off the sides. Let's begin cat-cow. Exhale and round the spine, tucking your chin and tailbone under, scooping the belly. Reverse, lift your tailbone, all the way up to the head and neck, into extension. Lead with the tailbone for cat as you exhale. Scoop the belly and round the spine. Inhale as you lift your tailbone upward, allowing the rest of the body to follow. Continue 2 more sets. And then return to neutral spine. Imagine you're balancing a cup of espresso on the back of the neck, tea on the middle back, coffee on the lower back. Curl the toes forward, lift your knees an inch and hover to hold. Rest. Repeat. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. One more down dog prep. Tuck toes, brace core, power breath. Elongate the back of your neck and D-shrug, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, and rest. Release in child's pose, tall kneel, whatever you need to release the wrists and the hands, hips and the knees. Deep breath in, and a full breath out. Finding neutral spine, the middle point between both extremes. Maintain total stillness in your entire body as you extend your left leg straight back. Press your toes down into the earth, make sure that your lower back stays level, and then return without disturbing anything. Switch sides, extending your right leg long behind you, and then bring it back in. Keep drawing your abs in towards the spine, bringing your front body to the back body, staying strong through the arms and the shoulders, staying strong through the neck. Now begin to alternate arms. Reach one arm forward as you D-shrug your shoulder blades down the back. Be careful not to do what feels natural, which is to hike the shoulder up and reach way up. We want to create length from the tip of the ears to the tips of the shoulders. Continuously check in with neutral spine in your neck and your back. Feel all the core muscles engaging throughout the entire body. One more. And then rest. Release. Rise up onto all fours again. One cat, one cow, finding neutral spine, the middle point between both extremes. Extend your left leg long, back behind you, straightening your knee fully, and without arching your back or losing your abdominal and back stability, lift your leg an inch. Keep balancing that hot cup of coffee on the lower back as you return and switch. Pull your abs in towards the spine. Extend the right leg long behind you. Straighten your knee fully and lift. And return. Continue alternating this hip extension, focusing mostly on spine stability, more than how high your leg can kick. Think length instead of height. As a progression, you can add an opposite arm. Maintain stillness and stability throughout your entire body. And then rest, release. Deep breath in, and a full breath out. I hope that my exercise videos will help you to increase your strength and stability, improve your confidence so that you can do your daily activities pain-free. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to connect with you soon. Namaste.